In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for streaming show interest fast and easy. First, let's start by opening up your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Trends and press Enter. You're looking for the first result that pops up. Go ahead and click on that link to enter the Google Trends homepage. Google Trends is an incredibly versatile tool, perfect for analyzing the popularity of various topics, including your favorite streaming shows. Once you're on the home page, you need to locate the Explore feature, which is usually right at the top. Click on that, and you'll be directed to an area where you can input your specific queries. Here you can type in the name of a show you're curious about, like Stranger Things, The Witcher, or House of the Dragon. Once you've typed in your desired show title, hit the Enter key to begin your search. At this point, you're going to need to refine your analysis with some smart filters to get more precise results. Look towards the top of the page and apply filters to better focus your research. You can adjust the location setting to either your target market or worldwide, depending on the perspective you're aiming for. Also, don't forget the time range filter. It can be set to examine the past 12 months for recent interest, or extend it to the past 5 years to identify long-term trends. For our particular interest in shows, you might want to set the category to video games for additional insights. Now let's take a close look at the interest over time chart, which provides a wealth of information. Spikes in the graph may correspond to the release of new episodes, trailers, or big announcements. Sustained interest in a show suggests a strong fan base and engagement over time. The insights from this chart are essential in timing your content or campaigns to match peak interest periods, maximizing your impact. If you have multiple shows in mind, you can compare their interest levels by using the plus compare button. You can add 2 or 3 shows within the same genre or platform to see how they stack up against each other. This comparison will help you determine which show has the most attention at any given moment, essential for prioritizing which show to focus on for reviews, commentary, or advertising. Scrolling down, you'll find the Interest by Region section. This offers valuable information on where your show is the most popular, which is exceptionally useful for geo-targeted marketing, setting subtitles, or planning releases in specific regions. Finally, don't forget to explore the Related Topics and Queries area. The Rising section reveals new and trending search terms like cast names, plot theories, or trailers, while the Top section shows consistently searched terms like the show name, coupled with questions about where to stream it. These insights can spark new content ideas that your audience is already curious about. And that's how you can use Google Trends to rapidly gauge streaming show interest. This tool gives you a competitive edge in understanding and responding to the dynamics of viewer engagement, helping you target your content effectively.